Okay, so who wanna ask first question? I mean, main problem. Okay, two more people. Okay, so what is main problem you are facing, guys?
Sometimes I think I'm doing major points, but I'm in an internal range. This is the problem.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
Especially if we go down on M1,
Mm-hmm.
things are too noisy. The chart is too noisy.
Okay. Actually, when you are looking into higher time frame, like if you are switching in 1 minute, then you have to wait for the at least 15-minute sweep high or low, and then we can go after tap any POI zone or maybe liquidity sweep after trap. Then we can go in a 1 minute structure. Sometime what happened, I will show you something here. For example, this one is our bearish structure in a 15-minute, correct? And what happening here right now, facing most of the traders, they are expecting price go higher. Okay, after break this structure, price must be taken out, break, push upside, correct? But main problem is here when you switch into the lower time frame is here after broke this structure here. Okay, once market break this structure, and then what happened after break this structure, you can see in this entire move we can see multiple buy sell in M1 time frame. Okay, correct. So you have to switch, you have to wait for the at least taken out this high, and then you can go 1 minute in at this point, right? If market did not taken out the previous high, then you have to wait for the sweep this high, or maybe mitigate something here in a left side, correct? Then we can switch into the lower time frame at this point, correct? And in this move we can see multiple buys and sells in M1 time frame, correct?
Yes,
Okay,
this
so
is the main problem.
exactly. Actually, most of the traders facing here problem because they are switching here M1, because in this M1 time frame, market push upside and downside, sometime continuation, sometime it's a break of structure. But you have to pay attention, at least sweep this major high or trap this high or mitigate this high, and it's this will be at least M5 to M15, between the M5 to 15. Okay, then we can switch into the M1 for the confirmation. Okay, in a single M1 time frame we can't decide the various trend going on. In a M1 time frame, market trend is direction I think too many times. Okay, so we can't decide where is market going on. Higher time frame narrative is first clear higher time frame narrative, where is market going on, and then wait for the mitigate something in a left side and downside, and then wait for the M1 confirmation for the buy and sell. Like this, I'm going to show you exactly. If I switch here in a M15, okay, so you can see market dropping continue in a downside, and this is our most recent low, sorry, recent high, which is market already taken out. After taking out this high, we can switch into M1 at this point. Okay, and what happening here, as you can see, market break this structure is here, correct? And after break this structure, then most of the traders switching into the M1 time frame, like market is a bearish, then is a fine. When market trying to push higher, and then again you are also looking for sell, market is a bearish, already broken the structure, taken out the external liquidity. After taking out the external liquidity, market take a pullback before the continuation downside. Okay, so here we can see most of the time buy and sell and buy and sell, correct? So we should wait for this one, not this one. This is a range. Okay, I think it's clear now.
Yes, it's better.
Okay.
So we go to the lower time frame if we are sure that the direction
Mhm.
is up or down in certain zones.
Mhm. Actually, we should wait for the at least I'm5 structure to taken out the high and taken out the low before the price go higher and lower. Look at here. Market break this structure in I'm15. Okay. And if you switch into the I'm5 and then I'm5, you can see here market taken out the recent high, which is here. And then you can switch in this move in I'm1 chart. And then you can see, you can catch this move. Correct. Okay. And if you switch into the M1 chart directly after break this structure, then very highly chances you can hit the stop loss. Your stop loss will be hit most of the chances. Because after taking out the external liquidity, market take a pullback. Correct. So in this case, what we can here, market break the structure, price must be taken out this high, which is here, recent high. After taking out this high, then you can switch into the M1. Okay, don't switch M1 chart here. Okay, because market don't follow M1 structure always. M1 structure is for our confirmation entry. M1 is not your major structure.
Okay, understood.
Okay. So any more question? If anybody facing any problem after watch this videos, and then you start the analysis on chart, and I hope some people get confused and some little bit confused and to understand things. So you can ask me here.
Sir, please open the fruit chart, sir. Crude oil.
Okay, crude oil. Market open in the web. Okay.
सर अभी 1 आवर का सर मतलब इसमें रेंज तो है सर 15 मिनट का मतलब कैसे मतलब थोड़ा कंफ्यूजन हो रहा है सर
जी
रेंज में
yes. Which time frame?
15 मिनट एंड 1 आवर सर
Okay, 1 hour still is a bearish. As you can see, market break the structure is here right now.
यस सर
In a I'm H1, right? After break this structure, market taken out the first inducement, and this low is a confirm. After taking out the inducement, we have a scenario 3 types of entry, and you can apply entry type 1, this inducement, sorry, after trap, and second entry after taking out the engineering liquidity. Okay. So right now market momentum is a bearish, and probably we can see some maybe in a future on this demand market type here, and then we can see some continuation to upside, taking out this engineering liquidity and then continue downside, and probably this is a scenario. And if market unable to push higher, then we can see taking out this anything here, any like first inducement and then push downside, but price must be taken out this low, this one.
तो सर 15 मिनट में 15 मिनट में मतलब एक बार जा सकते हैं
Okay, in a 15 minute. Hmm, 15 minute is also similar. Break the structure here.
यस सर
Confirm high is here, and I think here. Correct.
यस सर
Yes, this was actually break of structure. After break this structure, this liquidity sweep, and you can apply here anti-tap 3, and then what happened? Market again break this structure. Oh, I did not check it. This was actually break of structure, and after break this structure, we should sell here, but I did not check yesterday. This was a really good trade. Wow. This is our main inducement After taking out this inducement, we can sell. Wow.
Yes.
Correct. Hmm.
Mr. Khaled,
Yes.
I have one question here.
Yeah.
In the chart directly, I see one BOS on the top and one BOS on the down.
Mhm.
So we need to go up or we need to go down?
Hmm. Can you repeat your question?
In your chart, you have two BOS.
Yes.
Okay. We follow the top or the bottom one. We need to go higher or we need to go down.
Actually, let me show you something here. This one is actually break-off structure in M15. If you are looking here, this one is an M15 chart. And as you can see, market
Okay.
momentum is a bearish in M15, like this.
Okay.
Correct. And market close overweight. This is an indication of the continuation. And what happened after the close overweight? We anticipating price must be go higher. And in this case, what we can expect? We can expect price must be taken out the recent low. Okay. After taking out this recent low, we should buy here. Correct. Because we are not anticipating price break this low. Okay. Because we are anticipating price go upside. Okay.
Okay.
So this one is our inducement. And once market tap here, and then we can see market showing some reaction, and you can switch into the M1. I hope you will get an entry. Okay. But it's not, it's unable to push higher. After this, market break this low and turn into bullish to bearish. Now your 15-minute structure change bullish to bearish.
Yes, sir.
Correct.
Okay.
Okay. Now structure has been changed, and same thing happening here. And now again market break this structure which is here. And what we can here, first inducement is here, price must be taken out this high, and then we can sell in a downside. Correct. If price did
Okay.
not, yeah, if price did not break this high, then price must be create a new lower low and then break this high, tap on this order block, right, and then push downside like this.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. So anyone, any more question? You can ask me here. If you are facing any problem, any kind of problem to understand things, then you can ask me here.
Mr. Khan,
Yeah.
sometimes may be difficult to eliminate engineering. You now is more clear for your example, but if you can explain better another time, thank you. And if you can also analyze in this moment Dow Jones, please, if you want. Thank you.
About engineering liquidity, right?
Yeah, engineering.
Okay.
Sometimes there are many zone above basement,
Okay.
but I think engineering is
Okay. Okay.
after.
I understand your question.
Okay.
You are trying to say that after the inducement, there are so many zones. Then which zone is our engineering liquidity? Correct. Okay. I will give you some explanation here. First thing, market momentum is a bullish. For example, here, correct. So after break this structure, first low is our inducement. Correct. In this case, this become our inducement. First low is here. And what about engineering liquidity? Actually, engineering liquidity is which is where is the extreme order block? Correct. If extreme order block is here, okay, unmitigated order block, then which point is called our engineering liquidity is here. This one is called our engineering liquidity. Correct. Why this one? Because below this, there is an order block which have sufficient or imbalance and clean order block. Okay. So this zone is called our, this low is called our engineering liquidity, because this happen on the extreme. If same thing happen here, for example, this order block is already mitigated. In some time, what happened? This order block already mitigated, and we have another order block is here because this order block is unmitigated. So which order block we should mark as a engineering liquidity? Correct. So in this case, our engineering liquidity plus inducement will be same. Correct? Because we have a same zone for the buy. And this one is called our break-off structure.
Okay.
Okay. I hope you understand.
Yeah.
So this one is also called engineering liquidity plus IDM. Okay. If anything missing, if anything below it, then those called our also engineering liquidity. For example, market break this structure in a three wave. Like first one is mitigated, second wave is unmitigated. Okay, this one is inducement like this. Correct. And this one is called engineering liquidity because this one is still unmitigated. Correct. So maybe in a future, price again push downside and go higher to mitigate this one. Correct. And this low is called engineering liquidity because on the extreme one, this one is mitigated and this one is unmitigated. So this low known as a inducement, sorry, engineering liquidity. Correct. And this one first low is inducement. And this one is our break-off structure. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
अच्छा सर कभी कभी ये
At this level is clear.
कि
Yeah.
सर मतलब ना ऑर्डर ब्लॉक पे सर फेयर वैल्यू गैप नहीं होता है सर, इम्बैलेंस नहीं होता है, और उस कंडीशन में क्या किया जाए? फिर भी मार्केट वहां पे एक्सट्रीम जोन हो या या मतलब मेरा मेजर डिमांड या सप्लाई जोन के पास में होता है तो वो सर मतलब फेयर वैल्यू गैप नहीं होता है, फिर भी मार्केट वहां से रिएक्ट करके जाता है, उस ये पे क्या करनी है? इसको इंग्लिश में सर एक बार क्वेश्चन बता दीजिए, बाकी लोगों को नहीं समझ में आएगा।
Okay. Actually, when market breaks this low and there is not sufficient proper imbalance, correct? Then what we can here, we should wait for this, at least taken out the major low, right? When market taken out this low, then there is no matter price push till this level or this level or this level. Price must be taken out this liquidity. Okay. After taking out the liquidity, we can buy or sell in confirmation entry, apply entry type 2 or 3. Okay. Entry type 1 only applicable when market mitigates something in a bullish and bearish, right? Without mitigation, you can apply entry type 2 and 3.
थैंक यू सर।
Mr. Khan, so you mean the main idea of all this is to start from a higher time frame, like H4. We check D1 the day, after we go to H4, make markup, after we go to H1. So going to low time frames is the last thing.
Actually, to mark the daily structure, like if everyone is here is a day trader, right? So I don't think you
Yes.
should mark the weekly, daily, and 4-hour structure. And if you understand the things, how things actually work, and then 15-minute structure is enough for the two trades daily as a day trader, day tradings, right? Because in a day trading, in a 15-minute, I think 2-3 times market break the structure, correct? If market break the structure in a 2 times, for example, here, break the structure, this is happening in a 15-minute, correct? So when market taken out this low, you can switch here instantly in a M1 to see how price reacting here. And then you can catch, if possible, you can catch. You don't need to catch multiple trades. You need to focus on the first higher time frame, right? If you catch here any entry and then your target is here, you can get easily 7 hour, 8 hour, 10 hour easily. Okay. And if looks any scaling position, you can multiple stack up to upside. Correct.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Because we are a day trader, right? Like on a live price, I think. Yeah. Correct. So if you wait here 4 hours to mitigate something here, for example, anything is here, for example, in a 4 hour, then how much it's take a time to mitigate here? And then you will wait for the 15-minute chalk, boss, and then lower time frame confirmation for sell. It's take a lot of time. Okay. Look at this point. This was our recent high, which is taken out. And after taking out this high, we can switch into instantly in M1 to see how price reacting. And then we can target most recent low. Finish. And then same happen here. Taken out this high, and we can switch into the M1 to target here. And in this 2 types of case, probably we can catch one trade. Correct. Okay. So generally we need only 1-2 trades. Okay. Once you know where is our PY, where is our inducement, then you have to apply in a lower time frame to see how price reacting. And then you can, if everything looks good, fit in our criteria, then you can apply multiple entries. You don't need to sell every times. You need to sell on a specific point. For example, here. Correct. In this point, if everything look fit, you can sell multiple position. After taking out the previous high, you can sell multiple position here. You don't need to sell every time here. You have to sell on a specific point on a specific zone. Correct.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah. Anyone question? Any more question? If anybody want, you can ask me.
Hi, Khan. Just
Yeah.
want a question regarding mitigation. What do you consider mitigation? I mean, sometimes some people consider mitigation as a half point, 50% of candle. Some people just, if touches, they call mitigation. So what we are considering mitigation of that particular zone?
Mm-hmm. Actually, mitigation is when market take mitigate partially, little bit here. Let me show you exactly here. Right. So this one is mitigation. Okay.
Yep.
This one is proper mitigation. And some people mark this one like here. Here. Right. This one is, I think, is equal. Okay. So in my opinion, when market tap previous low, right, and mitigate previous low, so it's complete mitigation. There is no need to wait for the like 50% of this mitigation. And some people mark this one is a 50%, must be mitigate 50%. Okay. So, but I don't use 50%. I personally use single mitigation is here, like previous low mitigate, and then this become our valid mitigation. So this is a mitigated already. Right. And one more example is here. This low is here, for example. Correct.
Yep.
So this one is unmitigated in my here.
Okay, makes sense.
Okay, because
Yep.
still imbalance left here. So we can take this we can see this is an imbalance here between this candles high or low. So we can take this as an unmitigated order block. Correct.
Correct. Okay, thank you.
Okay. Thank you. Welcome. Euro USD. Okay.
We can start from 30 minutes or 15 is good.
I think 15 minutes is fine.
Okay.
Yeah. So low is here. Correct. And market taken out. I think yeah, this one is inducement is here. And before this inducement, where is our recent high or low? You have to check here. I think this is a continuation break. Yeah, this one. So price must be taken out this low. And in this case, if price push higher and sweep this high, then we can sell till this level in a Euro USD in a 15-minute structure. And if I switch into the 5-minute structure first, then yeah, same story is here still. Why I'm not marking this high? Because this high most recent low is here. Price must be taken out the recent low to confirm higher high, which is here, right? So in this case, we should wait for the sweep this high, and then we can sell till this level like this. If market actually want to go higher, and after sweep this high, we can sell at this point. And we can stack multiple entries for the sell in a downside.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Please, I would like to know why you mark over there as the higher high, because I can see only the weak break over there where the inducement is below it.
Okay. So this one is inducement. Because
Yeah, I mean the left side,
mhm.
the left side of the screen where you mark as the high and the low, the low points.
This one.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Actually, if you can see here in a left side, in a 15-minute structure, actually this I mark as per the 15-minute structure. So here we can see this was our recent low. Sorry, recent high. Here, correct. Market push downside and create new lower high, and then again create new low and taken out previous low. Correct. So this high act like inducement. Okay. And after taking out this high become confirm when market break this low and close below it. So as you can see, market close below it. So this become our lower high and this is a lower low. Let me delete first all things. Then you can understand more clearly. This is our break off structure. Okay, because price close below it, this low. Correct. And this is our lower low. And what happened after that? Market taken out this high, which is here. And this is our inducement. And then this is a lower high, and again price create a new lower low. And then what happened? We are still waiting for the sell because market trend is a bearish. This is our bearish inducement, and this is a supply zone where we are interested for the sell. Then what happened? Market gives a reaction and then push higher, and market trend has been changed. Okay, so this one is also called chalk or boss. Okay, and then this lower high and lower low, and then what happened? Market close above it. If market push higher, okay, and sweep this high, then we are anticipating to push downside till this level. Correct. And if price did not go higher, then what we can here? we can buy below it to the expect price go higher. And if price, for example, if price did not hold this zone and break this low like this, then what we can sell again here to take out this inducement. Correct. We have a multiple option for every situation. Correct. Because nobody don't know where is market going on. We should take a reaction as per the where is market going on. Then we can take a reaction.
Okay, thank you.
So any more question? If anybody want, can ask me here. This is a smart money trap.
एक और क्वेश्चन था सर, अगर
जी।
सपोज दैट हमारा नन मतलब फ्रेश जोन अगर है, मिटिगेशन नहीं हुआ है और उस जगह उसके जस्ट ऊपर में या जस्ट उसके बिलो या जस्ट उसके अबव, तो सर इक्वल हाई इक्वल लो हो, तो क्या उस जोन को मतलब सर मतलब किस तरह को फिर ये देखना?
कैसे? आई मीन हाउ?
दैट मीन सर जैसे अभी मेरा ये कोई फ्रेश जोन है, मतलब इंड्यूसमेंट मतलब इंड्यूसमेंट के बाद और
ये वाला?
यस सर, और मेरा सर इक्वल हाई इक्वल लो है, तो उस जगह पे कैसे मतलब रिएक्ट करना है, मतलब क्या?
Actually, in this case, first thing, equal high, equal low, liquidity work after break of structure. In this case, if you are applying here for buy, correct, at this point, so there is no sense, because in this case, we can see market did not break any structure. Market must be taken out the break of structure, and then we create low, equal low, and then we can buy, and this become our high probability setup. Correct. And this break of structure in our 15-minute, and 15-minute demand is not here. 15-minute demand below it. Correct.
Yes, sir.
After taking out this low, then we can buy. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And this is a very common thing in a SMC like this. For example, market is a bearish, correct? And then what happened here? We can see market create order block is here. And then what happened? Market trying to push higher. And then most of the people do wrong thing is here. They expect like this. Oh, I'm sorry. Like this, market is a bearish and order block create on the downside, right? And then market trying to push higher, and they again trying to buy here to anticipate price higher, like this. But this is a not demand. Why this is demand? Market blow break this structure is here, correct? Market momentum is a bearish, and why are you buying here? Okay. So this is not buying zone. This is a trap, smart money trap. Correct. Because this demand does not break any break of structure in a bullish market. Price must be taken out, break this structure before the buy. You have to sell here. Tell this. Because we are following the bearish structure. Correct. Only 2-3 things you have to understand. First, mark the correct structure in a higher time frame, like 15-minute and 5-minute. Okay. If you are focusing on multiple time frame and switching your time frame in every time, 15-minute, 5-minute, then you are saying in a 1 hour, then you are switching your time frame in a 4 hour, and then again you are switching your 1 minute. You will be confused. Focus on your main time frames. Okay. If you are following the 15-minute, correct, then you have to wait for the 15-minute inducement taken out. After taking out the inducement, you have to wait for the lower time frame confirmation for the sell and buy. Correct. Don't be confused on multiple time frame. Okay. I will make a specific video about multiple time frame, how we can use it in our trading style. I will use 2-3 time frame because I don't wanna complicate it for you. I always trying to give you a simple and easy to understand things. 5 minute, 15 minute, and 1 minute. 3 times frame is enough for your day trading. You don't need to focus on multiple time frame analysis. You can do for the higher time frame perspective, okay, for your overall view, but you don't need as a day trader. You need only 2 trades, 1 trades, a quality trades in a day, which is enough for you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So any more question? If anybody wants, ask me. You can ask me. Then I will close this session.
You make inducement and engineering in Dow Jones 50 minutes, if you want.
Mm-hmm. Look at this chart. If you can see here, Bank Nifty chart, and you can see market break this structure. Correct. Taking out this major high. This is our taking out this high, and then we can sell continue. And this is a very, very easy sell. And this is our target. Correct. So any more question? If anybody wants, ask.
One more question. This
Yeah.
is regarding the BOS. So sometimes what happens? Market just break the BOS and
Mhm.
reverses from there. So basically, it's just taking liquidity from not from the inducement or from engineered liquidity, but actual BOS, and just keep continue. So can we use that sweep in a manner that we can take trade of that, or we just ignore that?
You mean after break this structure, for example, here, and
Yep.
then market did not taken out the inducement and engineer liquidity, but market pushed downside.
I'll just annotate if it's okay with you. So basically, break of structure.
Correct.
So this is a BOS for us. Okay.
Okay.
So what happens? Market goes like this, and there is we have a engineered liquidity inducement over here, and just keep going on. So this is basically sweeping, not this area, but actual BOS area.
Okay.
Yeah.
Actually, in this case, remember one more thing, that lower time frame BOS, like in any trend, like this one, correct? And for example, this one is a 1 minute structure, correct? If
Yep.
1 minute structure break above it, correct? So 1 minute structure break above it. So this is an inducement for the little bit higher time frame, like 5 minutes. And 5-minute structure, if 5-minute structure break upside, so this is act like a 15-minute inducement. You have to check your time frame little bit upper side. Okay.
Yep.
I will give you some explanation here, a live chart, then you can understand more better here. For example, here, if you can see here, ignore these things. Okay, just focus on here. You can see
Yep.
market break the structure, and this one is our recent low and recent high. Why? Because market taken out the previous high. Okay, and then what happened? Market break the structure and push downside, and then market taken out the inducement and confirm again low. Correct. So
Yep.
generally this is our 5-minute structure, like this. Correct. And then what happened?
Yep.
Market break the structure, and even you can see close above it. So what we can expect here? We can expect market trying to go higher. Okay, in a 5-minute. Correct.
Yep.
But same picture, if you can see in a 15-minute, then you can see this is not a break of structure. This one is just sweep the liquidity for the 15-minute
minutes.
inducement.
Yep.
Correct.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you have to check before the taken a trades.
Okay. Yeah. Good. Thank you.
Okay, welcome. So any more question? If anybody wants to ask me, you can continue. Otherwise, we should finish this session. And I will make a video. I think today I can make a video for you about multiple time frame analysis, right? And which will be very helpful to you to understand things that how we can use it. And will be upload tomorrow.
Yes, sir. Thanks, sir.
Okay, welcome.
Yep. So just a last suggestion, Khan.
Yeah, yes, please.
So I was just suggesting that in upcoming weekends, whether it's Sunday or Saturday, doesn't matter.
Okay.
Can we just sit and just go through everything whatever we have learned so far from you, and we can start back testing?
Yeah, sure.
Yep. So because this will help each and every one.
Exactly.
Instead of like
Correct.
people
Correct.
keep asking different questions and so and so forth, it's going to go like this forever. So I would suggest that we should go for back testing sooner than once we finish most of the content, important content, and then after we can start back testing, because we can learn so much from you, I think, like that.
Yeah, I will do.
Yep. Thank you.
Because back testing is a very important. And
we can collect data as well from there, that how
Yeah.
a particular setup will react that from that means if which is better, engineer liquidity or the inducement, and in which manner, in which situation. So I think that would be great if we can start as soon as we can.
Yeah. I will actually back testing and some homework will be continue. Okay, but I'm just I was busy this week due to festival. So just finish, and now I'm free. So I will make everything for you.
Yep. Thank you.
Yeah. So if anybody have question, you can ask me, and then I'm going to.
और सर एक सजेशन और था सर, देना चाह रहा था कि
Yes,
अगर आज की वीडियो में सर
Yeah.
वो विक को और ये बॉडी वाला ना थोड़ा सा मेंशन कर देना प्लीज।
Which one?
मतलब स्ट्रक्चर से रिलेटेड जो विक के और बॉडी वाला थोड़ा सा मेंशन कर देना सर। कि मतलब विक जैसे आईडीएम के बाद में विक से अगर उसने तोड़ा तो वो बीओएस होता है, और अगर मान के चलो बिना ये मतलब एक नॉर्मल है सर।
Means big or boss?
Yes, sir. With body and wick without inducement, with inducement.
Actually, look at here. Boss in a boss price must be close below it. Correct. When market close below it, so this one is proper break of structure. Correct. If price did not close below it, just sweep the liquidity and push higher. So even we can, what we can here, we can here, for example, our main low is here, and then what happened? Market taken out this low is here, but price sweep this high and push higher. Correct. And then what we can here, what we can expect here, this was a boss or just a sweep the liquidity. Actually, this is a sweep the liquidity, but we can our move lower low is here, actual low is here, we like this. And if market did not push higher, correct, and did not break this high, and then market again push downside, so our new low become here, right? And if market close above below it, so this like this is inducement and close, so this become our new low and this new high once market close below it. Okay, so this thing happen and every time, but I will explain in some multiple time frame analysis, and this video I think I will make in a good quality of content. That's why it's taking a lot of time, because I don't wanna give you, deliver you general knowledge, because I always try to give you my best, and which is really helpful to you, to all our community. Okay, so that's why it's taking some time to complete this part, because this is a very important for you to understand how multiple time frame actually works. All right, guys, so let me finish this session. And if you are unable to watch this entire session, I will upload on YouTube. You can watch it later. Okay.
Yes, sir.
All right, guys. Thank you so much, guys,
you.
attended this session.
Thank you, sir.
Have a
you,
nice
sir.
weekend.